What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. And let's talk some XRP. Some very interesting price predictions that have been thrown out for XRP. But in this video, I want to share with you guys some of the numbers, what's going on, some of the chart details and metrics that I want to bring to your guys' attention as we get further into kind of what's going, because a lot of people are banking on this being the beginning of it all, right? The breakout from the courthouse into the charts for XRP. So I want to give you guys kind of my rundown. We'll show you guys what exactly is happening on the charts for XRP on the day and then get you on your way. All right. But before we do, a couple things to take care of. Make sure you guys all subscribe right here on the channel, as well as on X. My handle is in the description of this video. Appreciate you guys. Also, please remember, not financial advice. Always do your research and due diligence when we talk crypto here on the channel. And let's get down into it, okay? And this is what we're looking at. Kind of a mixed day. You can see across the board. In the top 100, we have some crypto up, some crypto down, but nothing really jumping off the page in terms of a big mover in one direction or another. XRP, as we currently stand, we could see it trading at 62.8. So, like I said, a very good month for XRP, up 33.5%, and on the week, up about 5%. So, as we look into the chart, you can see what's going down. The trading indicator has flash momentum up back on July 7th, and we have not changed direction. So, whether or not this is part of this channel right here, where XRP looks to kind of just upwards consolidate, right? And that's kind of what we want to see. If we wanted to see a breakout even further than where we are, that's where we could look at XRP possibly even getting back to $1. All right, I do think that's firmly in the cards. That's my personal take. I think that what we have going on with Bitcoin at all-time highs, the 2-year plus price suppression that we have seen from XRP, anything's possible, okay? But I do think the number one thing right now is getting out of that courthouse and into the chart. So I'll say it to you guys till I'm blue in the face, but that is the number one thing that we have waiting for us within XRP holders. That's the one thing we have to look forward to. What happens once we do get that final settlement and we get to just put all that nonsense behind us and get back into trading crypto. All right, but I want to get into these articles. First, I do want to take the time to show you guys the channel sponsor for today. This is Margex. If you do any leverage trading, you're going to want to make sure that you check out my link down below. Go explore Margex, because right now what's happening is you can register and claim up to a $10,000 in bonus just by signing up and creating an account. Also, by doing so, you're allowing yourself to use their copy trading feature within Margex. If you don't know how to trade leverage, if you're worried it's too volatile, I get that. But there's a lot of traders on that leaderboard having 2,000% ROE. You can't ignore those numbers, those gains. So make sure you use my link down below. Check out Margex today. Do your own research. There's no KYC, so make sure Margex is right for you and where you're located. And by all means, get started trading. Links down below. All right, but back into it. All right, this is what we need to talk about. This is the big thing. Okay, we're going to get into XRP breaking out from their symmetrical triangle, and that's kind of what we're looking for. It seems to be, by all accounts, we're gearing up for that move. And by gearing up, that's what I'm talking about, getting out of that courthouse, and then can we hit that $1 target? But now I do want to share with you guys a little bit of some nonsense coming out from Finbold, why XRP could hit $18 in September. I mean, you guys can do your own numbers, but that's close to a 15x. So something where we look at 62 cents, give or take where we were at on the charts, the road to $18 coming out from Dark Defender. And I'm not ever going to trash anybody or say anything negative, but I just want to keep it 100 and keep it real with you guys. We need to focus on $1. If we can get to $1, there's going to be a huge psychological threshold, a resistance with $1 XRP, that let's just focus on that, right? Let's just focus on getting out of this consolidation phase. Yes, XRP 62 cents. Yes, we touched 80 cents, but you saw what happened. We went as low as 40. There's been quite a bit of, I guess you'd say, stable. It's been quite stable, okay? But still, nonetheless, it's very important to understand that $18 is just really far-fetched, okay? And some of the metrics, some of the stuff that I've been following with XRP, that would be an absolute wave of money that would have to flow in. You can see right now, as we're currently trading, breaking out above 93 cents. That's where, it could go on some parabolic run and keep climbing. But I just wanted to make sure you guys are all aware when you see these price predictions and so on and so forth, take them with a grain of salt. No one really knows what's going on. It's all kind of just rubbish to me. Yes, XRP could hit $18. By September, I'm going to have to tap the brakes on that one quite firmly if you don't mind. And I'm not fudding XRP. I'm just trying to keep it real. I just don't see it being that bullish. All right, that's something where you look at where we are at right now on the charts and just how high that would have to run and inflows. I mean, to do a 15x at that market cap, that would be an outstanding run into the green. So I'm just going to debunk that one, but we are going to focus on this $1 target being firmly in sight. Now, this is coming out from Moon Carl. XRP is doing it. The long-awaited pump has just started. Now, I can get down with this one. This is something that I'm kind of aligned with. I think within this symmetrical triangle that we've seen, this has been an indication of somewhat of a reliability of what we're seeing on the charts, why we're seeing these price movements, why we're getting momentum up with the trading indicator, and that is going to play a role into kind of the analysis, all right? And you can see this is a perfect visual. Okay, these are 1 hour charts, 1 hour candles, I should say. And you can see how this range pretty much stacks up with how I've done it. Okay, we've been consolidating. And by consolidating, like I said, this is something where it's important to understand this is firmly a long 2-year consolidation. Okay, 2 years plus. But if you look at this bottom yellow line and some of the lines that I've drawn for you guys, as I date back to July and May even of 2022, like I said, a little bit over 2 years, we're going to change this here because this is kind of the trajectory we've been on. If we look at these kind of troughs dating back over 2 years, we've been steadily increasing in value. It's not been some big explosion, but it has been pretty stable, like I've continued to say. And from here, if we do break out from this symmetrical triangle, that's where, you know, the bullishness will continue. They're calling for 72 cents. I could see $1. I think that's going to be a very high hurdle, though. Once we get a little closer, you're going to see a lot of resistance at that level. That's just how I feel about it. But having a breakout from this symmetrical triangle, I think, is something that could really easily happen. Okay, couple that with some more bullish, dovish news coming out from the sentiment from having this courthouse nonsense resolved, and that's what you get. That is the recipe for XRP to be back on the charts. Okay, so I wanted to make this video kind of show you guys the roadmap, what I'm looking at, some of the TA, right? We talked about that symmetrical triangle. We talked a little bit about what we've been doing over the last 2 years plus, and you know, right now the numbers speak for itself. We are just steadily increasing in value. It's not exploding, but we are still going up and ascending, and that is the number one takeaway that you can't ignore. So let's just focus on $1 XRP. We can put all that $18 behind us. We'll focus on that once we get above $10. But right now, $1 XRP is kind of what I have my eyes on. So that's what I have for you in this video. I appreciate all of you that stuck around and watched. If you can, do me a solid. Make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Smash that like button and feel free to leave your price predictions for XRP in the comments. And as always, check out Margex, links down below. Thank you once more. We'll see you guys all tomorrow. Cheers.